Hello, this is your Ohio Weather Network forecast summary for Friday, January 7th, 2011. Let's start with the weather headlines for today. Pretty quiet for right now. That is going to change later this evening as some more snow picks up. The lake effect snow will start tonight for those of you in northeastern Ohio, and that will not end until Sunday morning. So we're looking at a good 36-hour stretch of lake effect snow showers. After that, it'll be quiet for another day, but we are looking at the potential for another snowstorm, possibly next Tuesday, as it moves up the eastern seaboard. And we do have a lake effect snow watch in effect for Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull counties. This is in effect through Sunday morning up until about noontime on Sunday. Now, Lake County is not included in this watch, and neither is the lakeshore portion of Ashtabula County. The snowfall is going to pretty much move far enough inland that it's going to blow over those locations, and the snow falling over those areas is going to be much less than what's expected here. For those of you in Cuyahoga County, the heaviest snowfall will be confined east of Cleveland and the eastern portion of Cuyahoga County, and for Summit and Portage counties, it'll be the northern third, roughly, of the county as to where we'll see the snow, and about the northern half of Trumbull County for the snow there. Look at the snowfall potential here. The estimates are expecting through Sunday. West side of Cleveland, western half of Cuyahoga County, down through roughly the Medina area, Akron area, down towards Greene, northern Stark, southern Portage, Youngstown area, traced to 2 inches through Sunday. Just north of that, just east of Cleveland, including places in northern Summit County and the northern, well, roughly half of Portage County, most of Trumbull County. Looking at about 3 to 6 inches here of snow. This gets down towards places like Stowe, Kent, maybe Cuyahoga Falls right in through there, Macedonia, Twinsburg, Aurora, Streetsboro, and then places further north. Maybe 3 to 6 along the lakeshore. I think you guys will be on the lesser portion of that. Now, in the heart of the snow belt here, Geauga and Ashtabula counties, inland Ashtabula County, 6 to 12 inches of snow. Could possibly see some locally higher amounts. I don't think there'll be much more over a foot. But that's what we're looking at through Sunday. Almanac for Cleveland today, the high so far was 22. That occurred early this morning. The low was 19. The averages for this time of year are 33 and 20 respectively. Record high was 66, set in 1946, and the record low was -9, set in 1884. About a quarter of an inch precipitation so far. It's 0.63 inches on the month and the year so far, and we're about 1/10 of an inch above normal, and we're just starting out too, so nothing of concern there. Sunrise is at 7:53, sunset is at 5:15. We are adding a couple minutes on each end of sunrise and sunset each day as we continue into the wintertime here. A little bit more daylight each day. Latest satellite image shows clouds over pretty much the entire state of Ohio. As for breaks of sun, I don't think we're really going to see any. If you do see some, it's going to be really, really brief. You may see some brightening up in the sky down towards the Ohio River. Looks like right over in here towards portions of Meigs, Athens, and Washington County, maybe a few breaks right in there, but that would be about it. Latest radar shows scattered snow showers across a few portions of the state. Primarily right now we're looking at southwestern Ohio as the remnants of that clipper continues to move through. Not looking at much snow down there. Trace up to at the most an inch down in that area. Some of this may not even be reaching the ground. May have some flurries floating around the Mansfield area, Ashland, Richland, and parts of Wayne counties. And you can see some of the lake effect coming off of Lake Michigan here. Look how far inland it's actually getting into the state of Michigan there as well. We're going to start seeing some snow develop in northeastern Ohio as those winds shift to a northwesterly flow later this evening, and our lake effect will start. State forecast for Saturday. We're looking primarily at snow showers all over the place. For the most part, though, it would be morning snow southwest Ohio. Much of the snow, especially northwest and southeast Ohio, that will taper off by 4 p.m. So we're really not looking at much there. It's going to be scattered snow showers. Temperatures are pretty cold, with 21 in Cleveland, 22 Toledo, Akron, and Canton as well. 24 for those in Columbus, Dayton, Lancaster, and Cincinnati, and 25 for Athens. So not very warm. We do have that brisk west wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour for most of you, so even with those temperatures right there, it's going to feel probably in the low to mid-teens temperature-wise on your skins. It's going to be pretty chilly still. 5-day forecast for Northeast Ohio. Again, snow showers for Saturday with a high of 22. 13 is your overnight low. Chance of snow into Sunday, primarily Sunday morning. 25 is the high, 15 is your low. Mostly cloudy for Monday as we take a break for 1 day from the snow showers. 29 for the high, 14 for the low. Tuesday and Wednesday, chance of snow each day. 29 on Tuesday, 17 overnight, and 28 Wednesday. We're going to have to watch Tuesday and Wednesday here for potential storm system that moves up the East Coast, develops a upper low that tracks up the Ohio Valley Tuesday evening into Wednesday. That could bring some of the moisture up into Ohio as well, so we're going to have to keep a close eye on that as the time approaches. We could either increase or decrease our snow chances, so it should be interesting to see what happens with that system. For Northwest Ohio, snow showers for your Saturday, primarily again in the morning. 22 is your high, 12 is your low overnight. Partly cloudy for Sunday with a high of 26 and a low of 13. Mostly cloudy Monday with a high of 27 and a low of 14. A chance for snow on Tuesday with a high of 30 and a low of 17. And mostly cloudy for Wednesday of next week with a high of 29. For Southeast Ohio, snow showers primarily in the morning again. 25 is your high, 14 is your low. Mostly sunny for Sunday with a high of 30 and a low of 17. Partly cloudy Monday, high of 33 and a low of 21. Chance of snow Tuesday and Wednesday. The high of 32 Tuesday and a low of 18 and 29 on Wednesday for your high. Again, we'll have to watch that system as it comes closer into range. Finally, for Southwest Ohio, Saturday, chance of snow primarily in the morning. High of 24 and a low of 13. Mostly sunny for Sunday. The high of 30 and a low of 17. Partly cloudy for your Monday next week. The high of 31 and a low of 21. Chance of snow on Tuesday. The high of 30 and a low of 17. And mostly cloudy for Wednesday with the high of 29. And don't forget, for all the weather information you need, be sure to visit our website at ohioweathernetwork.webs.com. Have a great weekend.